We have something very special for you today. Kraft Dinner and cotton candy flavor boost. First, I'm gonna smell this. Doesn't really smell like anything. It smells like... It doesn't smell like cotton candy at all. It kind of smells like cardboard. Yeah, it doesn't smell... I can't really taste anything. I can't... Well, we'll see if it tastes better with the magic of television. It's already made. It's already done. I got a plate. This is what it looks like. That's the thumbnail. But here we go. Here's the first taste. Smells like normal Kraft Dinner. It smells normal. I did put the cheese in first and then the powder. So that's what it said to do. It said to make it as you normally would and add the booster to it. So that's what I did. Okay. Let's see. I can taste the cheese. There's like a hint of something. There's a hint of something that's not cheese. It does not taste like cotton candy. It tastes pretty normal. It's just pink. It tastes pretty normal. Maybe it's because I ate it in a plate. I also have some prepared in a bowl. It tastes the same. Exactly the same. You can't have Kraft Dinner without ketchup.
Nice.
Let's try it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I got a clean fork here. I don't wanna cross-contaminate. Okay, here we go. Got some ketchup on here. We got some cotton candy. It tastes fine. It tastes like Kraft Dinner with ketchup. I'm kind of disappointed. It's basically powdered food coloring. Like, not that Kraft Dinner is bad, but expecting cotton candy, because the cotton candy pouch didn't actually change anything. It just tastes normal. It didn't change anything except for the color. 6 out of 10. Perfect.